One sunny morning, Bella the bluebird sang happily in the forest. But then, she saw a little bunny. He looked very sad. Bella flew close and asked, "Why are you sad?" "I lost my favorite carrot," the bunny sniffled. "Let's look together," Bella said with a smile. They looked under leaves, behind bushes, and around tree. Then, Bella saw something orange under a big tree. "My carrot," the bunny shouted, jumping with joy. "Thank you, Bella," he said. "Friends always help each other," she smiled. They sat together under the trees, happy and warm in the sun.